Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you happen to be. It is 11 o'clock in Nashville, Tennessee. You are looking at a live look at the Nashville International Airport. I'm glad you're here with us. There goes a jet blue. Let him cross. There he goes. Hi there, I'm Phil Mandley. Thank you for joining me here today for a live shot. Appreciate that. It is about 39 degrees, visibility is 7 miles. They're calling it foggy, but it looks like the sun's going to come out. So I'll stop talking and we'll start watching some planes.
Here's the Macon Airport via the Tiffin 3 departure as filed. Climb via the SID. Departure is 118.4, squawk 1062.
Number 1806, proceed to Macon Airport.
Sarah, JetBlue 1806.
It's 1062. Tell Alpha to read back. It's corrected. Blue is on the 8 is where you park. Tell Alpha Roger you can expect 2 right for departure, ground point 9 to taxi. Have a safe flight.
Tango 2, cross 3-1. Good way to the Delta Jet, and taxi via Tango 2 Bravo, cross 3-1. Function. Third contact, departure, what are contact on 4,000.
76410, Nashville Tower, flight runway 28, runway 2 clear for takeoff.
Here 1 Tango Alpha, turn left heading 210. Calling off Nashville approach mark 0404 and okay, continuing and need fast or slow?
Oh, be good, please.
Houston International Airport, the departure as filed. Climb via the SID. Departure frequency 119.35, squawk 1512.
Something I can do to help you out, I don't know the fixes there. If you've got additional pressure fix you want to go to, I'd be happy to coordinate it.
Airport via Daniels 3, then as 5, climb via the SID, departure on 119.35, squawk 1512.
The center 125.85 today.
2585, good day, Shell 6236.
Number 3653, continue descent to 5,000 via the Ryman Rock.
There she is.
Reduce speed to 210.
3579, contact up the center 133.85, we'll see you. Victor 85, Victor 539, see you today? 49 Nashville approach, McDowell West runway 2 center.
At gate 13, Charlie 13, pushing.
Tim Taylor.
2 for 4,000.
Runway 3538, Nashville departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
15,000 on 3538. 2 with you guys, traffic set.
Get 3 of them in your taxi instructions. Turn right on Bravo, hold short of 2 left at the departure end. Got a little bit of a delay for you. Fly runway heading clear for takeoff on 2 left, Mark 2390.
Right on Bravo, and hold short of 2 left, Endeavor 373.
Delta 3004, runway 2 left, taxi via Tango 4, Tango 3 Bravo, cross 31.
3538.
3538. Encore 3651, ready for taxi. Encore 3651, runway 2 left, taxi via Tango 2 Bravo, cross runway 31. Tango 2 Bravo, cross 31 for 2 left.
3 Bravo, 2 left.
Wisconsin 4099 p.m.
Nashville altimeter.
Cross 3. Yes, sir. 8 Hotel Alpha, cross runway 31, and taxi via Lima Hotel. 1 Lima Hotel.
Million 30898 Nashville, approach Roger. Ident, climb and maintain 13,000.
Sierra properly released runway 2 at John Toon, clearance void if not off by 1755, time